I'm giving out big smoke, big smoke. Got a whole lot of big smoke, big smoke. Ain't no running from this big smoke, big smoke.
Hey man, same man, it's your boy Slow Boy VQ, aka Chris, back to y'all with another video. Today we got a special video. I mean, every video is special, but this one's real special, bro. Today we just picked up our test pipes from Boosted 6 Auto Works. If y'all don't know, hit him up on Instagram. He got me right with test pipes, bro. Them just look amazing. Like I'm gonna show y'all, but y'all tap into Boosted 6 Auto Works, bro. He'll get you right, bro. But today we're gonna be installing the test pipes. Like I said, we just picked it up. We finna go install that just right now as we speak. So first I'm gonna show y'all what the test pipe what the test pipes looks like. Then we're gonna head over to the shop and put them on. Bet. First off, the packaging was A1. I can tell y'all that. Sheesh. Oh, y'all see them? Yo, these joints is nice. Yo, them things is clean. Let me take it out the plastic, y'all. Hold up. See, them things is nice. Look at the welds, y'all. Oh my gosh. Them things is nice. As you can see, Boosted 6 Auto Works. Hit them up on Instagram. And tell them Slow Boy VQ or Chris sent you. You know? Just tell them that. Them joints is nice. These things is clean, bro. Like I said, you shout out to Boosted 6 Auto Works. He'll get you right, bro. Just hit him up on Instagram, like I said. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the shop, when it's ready to install and everything like that. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all like the video. When y'all like the video, it helps push out the videos, bro. Come on, y'all like that? Y'all smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. So yeah, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when we hit the shop and everything like that. Bet. Well, yeah, we at the exhaust shop. You can see the Q in the back and the pipes on the floor. Right now, he's just cooling it down and giving it like about an hour and 30 minutes, he said. So we gonna see. Well, there's also an issue. These bolts are kind of rusty. I don't know. He said he probably can't do it, or probably could. We gotta see. Hopefully he can, because I don't know. Let's see, we had G exhaust. So yeah. Hopefully, I'm gonna keep y'all tuned in. Hopefully he can pull them out. I'll turn y'all back on when he's pulling out the bolts. So yeah. So that's that stance that you know you get in that boat. Well, y'all, the cats is out. You can see right there. Yeah. Bad boy is in. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. So again, shout out to G Exhaust, shout out to Boosted 6. Feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds when he starts it up. We're almost done. Probably like 15 more minutes, and yeah, that's it. Look at all the cars going down. Let's see how it sounds. Hey man.
Let it idle for just a minute, okay?
Alright. Don't sound too bad. It sounds more deep, I can say that. It sounds way more deeper than what it was. Man, I can smell the fumes. Shit. Yo, y'all hear that? That joint is deep. Way deeper than what it was. Oh my god, that just sounds nice. That just sounds nice, bro. Shit. Cute little nice here. Hell yeah. You guys, it's hot. I just left. I'm at Wawa. I went to go get gas, but I'm gonna give y'all a little like pull to see, make y'all see how it sounds. But then I'm gonna give y'all like a first drive video. This should be the first drive video, but I'm gonna just split it in two and make like a whole video to me just like actually like pushing it and downshifting and all that. So yeah. But yeah, we'll see how this ends up. It's hot, y'all. I'm out here wearing a jacket. Well, yeah. See, dang, I should have put the head mount on so I don't gotta carry it. But also I'm with that boy Jay, Sam, Big Marrow Boys. Sound crazy. So y'all can see that joint sounds crazy. Oh my god. Yo, but I'm gonna give y'all like a full like video of me just flooring it all the time. God, yeah. Cap, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. I don't know how long it is, but I'm gonna give y'all a full review of the test pipes and everything. But once again, shout out to Boosted 6. That boy came through. Hey, if y'all need any parts, any Q50 parts, anything, just hit him up. Boosted 6 Auto Works. I'll put his link in the description down below so y'all can tap in anytime y'all ready. Bro, support the man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that boy helped me. He'll help you. So, bet. Look at that boy Jay. Camaro probably. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Huh? Yeah. This man messed up my outro. Huh? So it was good, man.
Look at you, man. Now he got the down pipe. You roaring and shit.
Test pipe, sir.
Test down pipe, server pipe. You roaring now.
How that shit sound, bro?
I should know. That shit sound loud as shit. Sounds so crazy. If everybody had that shit, Lord have mercy, we could pull over like every time.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a ticket for this, but I don't care.
If you down shit me like a long time, you get a ticket for shit.
Yeah. I'm telling you, them down shit sound crazy. Yo. Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video when I do the actual drive with this car. And y'all can see. So y'all just stay tuned. But bet. Catch y'all later. Y'all stay safe.